Did you know that common table salt found in every household can have such a significant role in agriculture? Today, I'm sharing a pest-resistant and yield-boosting recipe with you. Once you learn this, you won't need to buy insecticides anymore. Whether it's aphids, cabbage worms, or whiteflies, this formula can eliminate them all, ensuring your crops are free from pests. Before I share the details, please hit the heart and plus sign to bookmark this so you can easily find it when you need it. Here's the method. Mix 150 grams of table salt with 200 grams of urea and add 100 grams of brown sugar to 30 liters of water. Stir it thoroughly and spray evenly onto the leaves of your fruits and vegetables. This solution not only repels insects but also enhances yield. It's eco-friendly, healthy, and leaves no harmful residues. Have you mastered it? Follow me for more gardening tips and techniques.